In this lesson, you will learn how to add and edit service offerings. Each resource type under the Services section has service offerings that can be placed into quotes and charged to customers. You will see an example of this in just a minute, but first, let's add a couple of new service offerings. Step 1. On the System Settings menu, click Service Offerings. Step 2. Click New Service Offering in the Workbench menu. Let's add an Audio Engineer service offering. You can give it a code and more detailed description if you want, and we will add it to the Labor resource type. You can add associated qualifications, which are pulled from your Skills and Qualifications list. Skills and qualifications were covered in the Add and Edit Contacts lesson. You can also add default production tasks. In this example, let's say that an audio engineer typically helps with setup, rehearsal, and operation. Click Create, and the service offering page will open. Click on the Pricing tab to adjust the default pricing for this service offering. Let's say that you charge $700 per day for an audio engineer, or $70 per hour. These changes automatically save. Let's create another service offering. Another way you can do this is by right-clicking on any resource type in the Services section, then clicking New Service Offering. This time, we will create a service offering called Video Editing and place it in the Creative Services resource type. We won't assign this one any production tasks. And we will price it at $100 per hour. Now, if we open a test quote, and first we will add the Audio Engineer service offering. You can see that the price is automatically added. Now if we add the Video Editing service offering, the price is automatically added, and you can adjust the time manually. There are some service offerings that you might not want to set a default price for, like airfare, for example. If you add the airfare service offering, then you can just manually adjust the price and quantity based on the job. To edit any service offering, simply double-click on the name, and the edit page will open. You can also drag and drop any service offering to order them according to your needs. You can also drag and drop a service offering into a new resource type folder. For example, let's drag the Audio Engineer into the Las Vegas Labor folder. So now, the Audio Engineer service offering found in the Las Vegas Labor folder is the audio engineer we created earlier, which you will remember is priced at $700 per day. Now you can create a new Audio Engineer service offering and place it in your General Labor folder. You can consider this entry to be the service offering that you use when you hire a local audio engineer in your hometown. And you can charge a different rate for this audio engineer. Now you have two audio engineer offerings to choose from, each with different default prices. This is very helpful if you do a lot of work out of town and want to have consistent default prices for labor in other towns. To delete a service offering, click the Delete button in the row of the service offering that you want to delete. If you have any questions about adding and editing service offerings, please email support@flexrentalsolutions.com.